This video is about browsers and how to use them. So to start off, there are multiple different browsers. So like the one that we're using right now is called Google. There's also one called Firefox. There's also another one called Microsoft Edge. And there's also one called Safari and so on. They all go by different names. They all look a little different, but they all serve the same purposes. And that is just to have the internet at your fingertips. and and all of them usually have the same functions. So for example, if you go up to the search bar and you want to know about a question, so you just want to type it in. So for example, like you want to know why is this sky blue, and then you're gonna have your answer to the question. You can also download different softwares. For example, you want to do some photo editing, you can type in paint.net, you click search, and then it will give you the website that you can download the application. You can also use it as a way of entertainment. For example, you can go to YouTube. You can watch a bunch of different videos created by different people. There's also a lot more you can do with browsers, but that's mainly the basic. So thank you for watching this video and have a great day.